Hello students, how are you? Hope you are all well. I, Jyoti Chaudhary, today I am going to discuss with you Science Class 3, Chapter 8, Food we get from plants. So please open down page number 73. Let's start. Plants grow all around us. Most plants grow on land. Some grow in water. Plants are very useful to us. There are different kinds of plants around us. Some plants are big and strong. Some plants are weak and small. So first we are going to read about trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They have a thick stem called the trunk. Several branches grow from the trunk so that a tree spreads upwards. So for example, we can say about neem tree, mango tree. Trees growing on the hills do not spread wide. They are tall and thin. The lower branches are bigger than the upper branches. This way the trees take the shape of a cone to get more of sunlight. For example, we can say pine, deodar, fir. These are all the trees which are going to be growing in the mountainous region. Please come to page number 74. Coconut, palm, these are the trees that grow near water. They are tall with strong trunks. Now we are going to read about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have small, hard, woody stem and many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. For example, tulsi, rose plant, henna, these are all going to be coming under the category of shrubs. Now we are going to read about herbs. Herbs are small plants. Their stems and branches are mostly soft and green. Herbs live for few months. So they are also going to be called as seasonal plants. For example, coriander, mint, grass, these are all going to be coming under herbs. Please come to page number 75. Climbers. Some plants are with very thin and weak stems. They cannot grow straight up on their own. The weak stems curl around other plants or take support of walls to grow. They are called climbers. We give support of wooden sticks or pillars to the climbers to grow. For example, pea, money plant, these are all going to be coming under climbers. In the climbers, we can come to see tendrils. What are these tendrils? Tendrils are going to be coiling around for support. Next, we are going to read about creepers. Some plants are with weak stems, but their stems do not climb on anything. They just lie on the ground. For example, pumpkin, melon, watermelon, these are all going to be coming under creepers. Now we are going to read about desert plants. You know that deserts have sandy soil with very less of water. The plants that grow in desert are mostly cactus. These plants have thick, fleshy stems but no leaves. There are thorns growing on the stems. Please come to page number 76. Water plants or aquatic plants. Many plants grow in water also. Some float on water while others grow inside water. For example, lotus, water lily, they are going to be coming under the category of floating plants. Whereas hydrilla, tape grass, these are going to be coming under underwater plants. Now we are going to read about plants are useful to us. Plants are useful to us in many ways. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables, fruits and cereals. Some of the roots which we eat, for example, beetroot, turnip, carrot, these are all roots of plants which we eat. Some stems of plants which we eat, for example, sugarcane, potato, sweet potato, ginger. Sugarcane juice is used to make jaggery and sugar. Please come to page number 77. Leaves of plants which we eat. Green leafy vegetables are good for our health. For example, cabbage, mint, spinach, etc. Some fruits which we eat. For example, many vegetables are actually the fruits of plants, but we eat them as vegetables. For example, tomato, cucumber. Some of the fruits which we actually eat and we love to eat, for example, mango, apple, banana, etc. Flowers of plants which we eat, for example, cauliflower, broccoli. We also eat flowers of some plants like pumpkin and banana flowers. Now we are going to read seeds of plants which we eat. There are many plants whose seeds make part of our food. They are going to be known as cereals. For example, rice, wheat, bajra, etc. Nuts we eat are also seeds of plants. For example, almonds, walnuts, etc. Please come to page number 78. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plants, whereas chocolate is also made from the seeds of cocoa tree. We crush some seeds in machines to take out oil from them. For example, from mustard seeds, we are going to get mustard oil. We are going to get sesame seed. From sesame seeds, we are going to get oil. Other uses of plants. Some plants are used for making medicines. Those plants are going to be known as medicinal plants. For example, neem, tulsi, aloe vera, these are all going to be known as medicinal plants. We get spices from some plants. For example, red chili, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, these are all going to be coming under the category of spices. Spices are going to be very essential when we are going to cook food because they are going to give flavor as well as color to the food. We should grow as many plants as possible in and around our house. Plants make our surroundings beautiful. They make air clean for us to breathe. They are homes to many birds, animals, as well as insects. Dry leaves, flowers, and branches that fall off the plants mix in the soil and make it a rich food for plants. Peels of fruits and vegetables also make good manure for them. Students, now we will discuss few question answers and objectives. You can see them on the screen. I hope you all have enjoyed the class. So please read the chapter and do the question answer and objective in your science interleaf copy. Thank you.